Let's turn our attention to Korea, and Korea isn't escaping the selling today, also in negative territory, pretty much in line with the broader losses that we're seeing across the back rim. And we do have a central bank decision due out in the next 20 minutes or so. So let's get to June, who's got more from Seoul. June, I guess even with the stimulus that we've gotten from the central bank, also the central government, it's still not helping sentiment. It's going along with the rest of the Asia Pacific.
Hi, Susan. That's right. We are even lower now than the open. The Kospi is down 1.25%. Kosdaq is down more than 2% now. They're both at the lowest in more than 6 months at this time. We are even at the 1990 point level for the Kospi, which we haven't seen in many, many months. So we are seeing a very weak day for the equity markets. The Korean won is also at a 2-year low against the US dollar, weaker against the dollar, again at 11.39 won per dollar. If you look at the blue chips today, we are seeing pretty much every name down except for KEPCO. But one of the worst performers out of this bunch is SKhainicks, which is down 2.3%, almost double the broader index's losses today. This is coming ahead of its earnings that will be reported. Analysts are expecting earnings for SKhainicks to come in below market expectations for the second quarter. Revenues are expected to come in down up by a fifth, and operating profit to come in down by a quarter for the second quarter. But this is again much below market consensus that we have currently. This is coming on weaker PC sales that happened in the second quarter. So we are seeing it being negatively affecting the name today. Also, retailers are showing a very weak picture, along with the duty-free store bidding results coming out tomorrow. The CEOs of the major retailers will be doing a presentation today to win one of these bids. But again, we are seeing continued losses for names like Hyundai, Lotte, and Emart, which is part of the Shinsegae group, about an hour into trade. Susan, back to you.
Okay, we also have that interest rate decision, right? In just about 20 minutes. I don't think anybody's expecting anything. In fact, I think virtually every economist is saying they're going to hold stay at 1.5% in those record low borrowing rates, but they're going to lower their economic forecast. Is that what you're hearing as well, June?
Exactly. Pretty much every economist from the local brokerages are saying that they are expecting no change this time around, because the last surprise rate cut is already putting the rates at a record low, which is a concern for the central bank, given that household debt is a continued ongoing concern at this time. Susan?
Okay, well, I think 4 out of 28 are still predicting one interest rate cut to come still this year. We'll see. Okay, June, thank you so much. June, you're in there in Seoul. We're going to go to break, but coming up next.